Prime Minister Narendra Modi na mayai tangbal lauduna pangthukadoriba Chief Minister Shinggi Conclave ta MANIPUR da HOUJIK OIRIBA PHIVAM asigi matangda WAPHAM Pukhattuna Athuba Matamda Waroisin Puraknaba Prime Minister da Takshingani HAINA Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM PHONGDOKKHRE WAPHAM asing Chief Minister gi Secretary ta pangthukpa thormama kamari leina paumi singa unaba mada Chief Minister na phongdokkibani paumi singna hangba wahangi paukhum piraduna Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM na hai mahaki Delhi gi khongsit asi maru oina niti ayok ki mifam yawpa madi mifam asigi matungda Prime Minister Narendra Modi na mayai tangbal lauduna phongdoriba Chief Minister Shinggi Conclave asida saruk yaba chatpani Prime Minister Narendra Modi na mayai tangbal lauduna phongdoriba Chief Minister Shinggi Conclave asida magna HOUJIK lamdam asa OIRIBA PHIVAM asigi matangda Pukhatkani mifam asigi kudong chaba lauduna mahakna HOUJIK lamdam asa thokliba irang asi Athuba Matamda Waroisin Puraknaba Prime Minister da Takshingani mifam asidagi positive outcome mamadi lakani thazai haina Chief Minister na makhataki.
My visit in Delhi is especially for the Niti Aayog. It will be shared by the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. And after that, we are also going to have Chief Minister Conclave along with the Honorable PM, and we'll interact different issues. I will take the privilege, I will take the advantage of addressing about the prevailing situation of the state, and I will request to have an immediate solution of the present crisis. I am very optimistic, and I hope something will come positive.
Ngarang Juribang gi Borobekrada Maitegi Yumama Mai Tharambagi Thodo Adugi Matangna Paumi Singna Hangba Wahangi Paukum Piraduna Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM na hai Ngarangi Thodo Adugi Matangda Thigat Bahore Thodo Asida Chenaba Miyoi Singfana na Bakan Mathabak Lokale Thodo Asiakan Mamongda Thigat Kani Haina Chief Minister na Makhataki.
I have investigated not from the the communities. HOUJIK lainariba mayamna singnariba community sugi dugi marktagi natana advantage lowba khudong chawa lowba irang si exaggerate tongningba pot mali ai community amadugi leadership su faunai to animaki community animaki leadership faunai moigi involvement tade aduna some sabotage mali mase aduna police na mi khara phana na ba immediately ngarang mi ani guma pharam godo mali ado phabang amdrak su ngasi hayeng se manung da mi phar kanda khara madugi proper investigation tongna bai khangan
Amarom Kuki Zo MLA Singi Matang the Paladuna Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM na hai Handaki Assembly Mifam asida Kuki MLA Sing Yaunava Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Maikaidigi invitation thari Mahaki Maikaidigi Sulanai Oina Lakna invitation piri haina Chief Minister na Makhataki.
We are inviting them. I also personally inviting them, and from the assembly also we are inviting. They should come and join.